Hey everybody, welcome back. Sorry we could not do this live. You guys may have seen a brief little live clip of it, and none of the cameras working for live, and nothing was working as usual. But without further ado, we are going to be changing the CMOS battery. Hey everyone, I'm Wolfman. I create amazing content from all types of games and software you cannot even imagine. So join my pack by pressing the subscribe button to join me on a quest of playing old games to new games and reviewing old software to the latest. So join me now, because this is just the beginning. I guarantee you won't miss out. Flip her up here. Alright, so we gotta get right in there. I know what you're saying. What an annoyance it's about to be. Yeah, we gotta get right up. I mean, I could just like reach it with my hand, but the problem is this card, which means that this PCI slot card's gotta come out, which means this whole thing probably has to come out somehow. But hey, without further ado, let's give it a shot, shall we? Ah, look at that. A non-shaky video. Alright, now that I got you guys right there, I know you guys can't see on this side, but I really need another camera for this side, but that ain't happening. So I took this one screw out on this side that kind of sort of disassembles the thing, but then our next problem comes up is where, how am I supposed to get to those screws that are under there? Virtually impossible to take this out. But maybe we can get special. Maybe we can get special to get in there. What if we could take a thing, pop it out? Right. I wonder if that's a CPU right there. It looks like there's a lot of RAM, but there's not. That's great. Let's see if I can just pop it out. Oop. Now you guys couldn't see it, but I just popped it out. Ooh, it's gonna fry stuff. It's gonna fry stuff to do this. I'm sure you guys are watching this wonderful footage right now. Very glad I did. Oh, there's Presser. I think that's Presser. Just scratching stuff up on the board right now. Okay, I need a piece of tape.
One eternity later.
Don't have a piece of tape. Trying to do one of these jobs. You guys are gonna love this. Sweet. Alright. We get our fresh replacement CMOS battery and be right back. Here we are again. I lost the original CMOS battery, of course. Not the original one from here, the one that I had in my hand, so I just bought another one, of course. Here it is, brand new. Instead of taking the whole board off, I don't even know where that screw right. I'm gonna put that right back in there. I mean, I had a feeling that this is going to be a huge project, but maybe not. Don't mind my dog barking in the background as usual. Can we do it, you guys? Can I use the scissors? I mean, if it wasn't for this slot thing here, I know you guys can't really see what's going on, and I'm sorry that you guys can't. Dropping. Oh, the scissors. The scissors are magnets. Ah. The signers. The signers. The scissors were magnetizing. Where'd it go? Hurry, is it stuck in there now? You guys are just loving this right now. I even gotta get a better view for you guys. This is great. Oh! She's in the drink! Let's go! Sorry, you guys don't understand. I've been preparing this video for hours, and it legitimately failed so hard. I was so mad. So mad. But yeah, that's an installed. That is an installed. That's an installed CMOS battery right there. Scratch my camera up doing it. Awesome. Alright, that's installed. Beautiful. Because I know that the old one was a Panasonic, because, you know, these are designed for years and lifespan to come, so. Alright, CMOS error. Will it happen? I'm sure it will, and I give up if it does. My goodness. The ESC Advantage computer was not an easy computer to deal with. But maybe it'll, if I do it the first time, well, then we'll reboot the system and then see if it really does it. Checksum invalid the first time. Okay. If it does it again, I'm gonna lose it. So. CMOS time and date not set. CMOS time and date not set. Was I successful? Was I successful? This would be the first time. Okay, well, I gotta power off the computer, then boom, botched back in, and then we'll see then. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, want to say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I live stream gameplay on Fridays, Saturdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. If you go watch one of my live streams, see if you want to hear about a little bit more about what I do. Also deal software, review videos, things like that on the weekdays. And I know I seem like I'm in a bad mood right now, but when you're sick and you're trying to deal with a very impossible computer and a very impossible software and computers and all that, you know, I love using OBS Studio. I love using all my cameras, but when you're trying to do live, it doesn't always work the greatest. But nonetheless, things happen. So, alright guys, I want to say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.